Dear friends, in the last video we studied the linear equations in two variables and we already completed first lesson of algebra. Now we are going to study the second lesson of algebra, and that is quadratic equation. In this lesson we have to study what is meaning of a quadratic equation, what is the standard form of a quadratic equation, what are the methods for solving different quadratic equations, and then in the last practice set we have to study what are the applications of quadratic equations. Dear students, first of all, to study the quadratic equation we must know what is quadratic equation. So first we study what is quadratic equation. Look at here. I am writing this equation: x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. On the board, now one equation is written. In this equation, only one variable is used. Only one variable. And which variable? That is variable x. And we can read this equation like this: x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. In this equation, you can observe what is index of a variable here, that is 2. The index of variable x here is 1. And we can see if the maximum index of variable is 2, then such type of equation is called as a quadratic equation. Means this is one example of a quadratic equation. Again we can write another example of a quadratic equation: 2y square plus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is another quadratic equation. Why it is quadratic equation? Because here the maximum degree of variable is 2. As the maximum degree of variable is 2, this equation is also a quadratic equation. And in this equation, a variable is y. Y is a variable in this equation, and in first equation and in the second equation, you can see in the first equation the variable is x, in the second equation the variable is y. And so such type of equations are called as quadratic equations. Dear students, now the next concept of this lesson, quadratic equations, is what is standard form of a quadratic equation. What is standard form of a quadratic equation? For this, we can take one example: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Why this is quadratic equation? Because the maximum index of variable is 2. As the maximum index of variable is 2, this is a quadratic equation. And what is standard form of a quadratic equation? Here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this equation, this a is called as a coefficient of x square, this b is called as a coefficient of x, and this c is a constant term, and on the other side 0 is there. The method of writing a quadratic equation in this form is called as a standard form of a quadratic equation. Now we can see one example. First example we can take in a standard form like this: 5x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Why this is standard form? Because all the three terms are written in a specific order. First, the term of x square is there, the term of x is there, then constant term equal to 0. This is standard form. And if we are going to compare this equation with the standard form, then we can easily see what are the values of a, B, the coefficient of x is a b. Then what is the value of b? In this equation it is 6. Similarly, the remaining third term is the value of c. So here in this equation the value of c is the 9. This is a standard form of a quadratic equation, and in this way we can find out the value of a, b and c. We can take one more example. See this example. This is y square plus 9x is equal to 18. This is another quadratic equation. In this equation, the variable is y. And what is the equation? Y square plus 9y equal to 18. Observe this equation. You can see here this equation is now not written in the standard form of a quadratic equation. So to write this equation in the standard form of a quadratic equation, how we can write? Y square plus this 9y, bring this 18 on the other side. That 18 will become minus 18 is equal to 0. Now friends, we can say this equation is now written in the standard form of a quadratic equation. And by using the method of standard form, how we can calculate the values of a, b and c in this equation? Compare this equation with the standard form. What is standard form? X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And what is one example of a quadratic equation? It is y square plus 9y minus 18 equal to 0. By comparing, we can say the coefficient of y square is the value of a, and so here a equal to 1. Coefficient of this y is the value of b, so we can say b equal to 9. And the remaining term, the constant term, is the value of c. And in this equation, the value of c is equal to minus 18. Now students, we can say, we can study what is standard form of a quadratic equation, and by using the standard form of equation, how we can calculate the values of a, b and c in the given quadratic equation.